There's cows.
Got some old raggedy old bait shrimp here.
Yeah, and so we're gonna hook that up to the.
Been in the freezer for who knows how long.
It smells gross.
You didn't even smell it. Taste it.
No. What's up?
What's up?
I don't know what to say. Oh, look, a cow. We can start from in here. You don't just look on the riverside and then be like, ooh, cows.
I'd say like break them in half and run the hook up in there.
Is that what you want to start breaking them in half? Hooking them?
I want to hook them.
Look. Right here.
How are you hooking them?
Look.
Get the bait, you're standing on it.
All right. There's the bait.
Yeah, so get it.
Get it. Break it in half. We're just trying to feed it on there really so it stays on the hook.
This is so gross. You take it.
Hook it.
Okay, where?
On a hook.
Okay, so how am I going to hook it? So we're hooking it? Sure.
What was that? Cow?
Cows. All right, more bait.
Cows.
Okay, more bait. We should jump. Oh, yeah, see that.
So I say we stop back by on the way back. See if we got anything.
Ginger.
Rebait hook.
Ginger.
Look at that.
To get all the meat you can. So you imagine your hook going through it. You gotta go straight, and then once the tip pokes out, then you can turn. So crank it in there.
Where's the thing?
It's coming. That's why I'm sticking my finger down there to feel it. There it is. See it?
Yep.
All right, bait.
Bait. Is it the same thing, just but a tail?
Hook it in there.
There. Alright.
All right.
Is that
Hey.
See? All right, come on, Zoe.
Alright, come on.
We have 8 hooks with shrimp on it.
We'll see how we do.
Okay.
Let's catch
You wanna
some
drop it?
fish.
Now do I just drop it?
Just drop it.
It's alright.
In 2 seconds and knock off the flower.
Maybe they'll just keep on floating by. Oh look, they're getting off.
We need to get off quick.
Okay,
Yeah.
There we go.
All right. Go. If it goes, it'll sink down and we won't have any more problems with this.
Okay, come on, Wayne. There we go.
That's
Woohoo!
Woo! Bait out of the water over here.
beautiful.
Oh. Well.
Do you think we should tie on a couple more of the surfboards?
It's okay. Well,
Tie it to what? Oh look, this stuff is just gonna. You think it'll drag it? No. I can see the shrimp from here.
me too. That's how shallow it is.
Yeah, right here, but in the middle somewhere is deeper.
Maybe we should throw some chummers out. Pull them from deep further back. Get that one down there. Small pieces as you can. Little pieces. You just toss couple out there. Just tank up the water. Get the area fired up.
What kind of thing? I can still see the shrimp that I just threw. It's like right in the weeds too.
Well, try not to get the weeds.
Can you like sink?
Look at that creek over there.
Yeah, I was about to say like look.
Can't reach it.
So pretty.
That's so safe. How about can I get some more?
Don't burn up all the shrimp. Might come back and rebait our hooks.
I don't know.
Yeah, we're gonna check them tonight.
We want some big fish. Alright. So we saw a lot of fish when we were coming in here. So we're about to pull up our line. Let's see. Did you get any bites yet or anything?
Just weeds.
Okay.
Pile of
So, pile of weed. Oh, and one of our bait got away. Yeah. Is that a fish or is that a whatever? All right.
No fish.
So no fish, but
Oh. We just lost our weight, I think. No, maybe not. Nope.
so we're still pulling in, and we heard a cow from when we were getting out of the car. Look how beautiful that
Yeah,
is.
stuck on something.
We're stuck.
Straighten the hook out.
We're stuck on something. Was like that?
No.
But
Some shrimp.
the fish got away. The fish definitely got away. It was like the fish just left when we came. There's still a couple here, so. It's the St. John River. So we're gonna go back to it.
Not yet. I'm trying to fix this sucker.
Alright, well, we're gonna try and fix the hook. And look at them. So we're gonna rebait our hooks. I can hold the bag. Our headless shrimp
What do you think?
hooker baits. What? Hooker baits. No sense. So we're going to hook them. Where'd my bait go? My hook, I meant. So there's little things right there, so kind of hurts when I zoom it just a little bit. There we go. All right, let's get some more bait. You got any more bait?
I got more bait, kid.
All right.
Let me show you how to do how I like to do the tail.
All right, so we're gonna do it again.
This one I thread it through.
What? Wait, with the tail? Yeah, tail. So that's what he does. He sticks it in from the meat side, and then he comes out like that. It comes out like that. Secret.
Beautiful.
All right, can I have some? Tail something.
Put it all in and tightened up. Don't have a loop anymore. Yeah.
Yeah. I was gonna say, well, how come I'm not hanging?
That's good.
Okay.
Oh, you're trying to get through that second skin. I see
I
you.
know, yeah. Like, I want to get through it, but I can't. All right.
You use that tail, thread it on there this time.
Okay, I'm going to thread on how Johnny did. Ow. That one got me.
So you grab your hook first and then thread it through.
Did you hear that?
Talking cows.
Like that?
Yeah, I like to thread it in a little further, but that's good. Good start.
Just start okay. Can I have another piece of bait?
Yep.
Oh, it looks like our skin is left from this buddy. Ew. Let's just grab it off. Ew.
Could be little fish stealing our baits, huh? Maybe our hooks are too big.
Just stab it in there. Okay, I'm gonna try how you did it, but a little bit better. Okay. Hold on, what am I doing?
No. Thread it so the hook tip comes out where his legs are. Yep. But past his legs. Go further. Keep threading it. Hold on.
I already messed
So
up.
look, you gotta feed more onto the tip. Think about feeding the tip. I'm still feeding the tip over here. The shrimp naturally goes around the hook. And then right here at the end of the shrimp, I'm gonna poke out my tip. See that?
Okay.
So,
Alright. Ooh, we got this.
still got bait.
Okay, we don't need it really. Oh, look, our bait fell off. See, it's right there. Alright. Oh, I got bit. Okay. Okay, barely. Can I just get... Now I'm having...
Turn it around.
Yeah.
There you go.
This
Now
one-
think about pushing the tip. Think about the tip. Mosquitoes are absolutely out of control right now. And they're not hitting me.
I mean...
It's pretty good. It's a good idea. Now you slide it up on the hook a little further. It's the same idea.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, baby cow, I'll come save you. I would love to save a baby cow. A cow.
Where is it? He's saying, help!
Fucking mosquitoes are tearing me up. This one coming out of the tunnel is moving faster though.
Alrighty.
Alrighty.
This is road.
Let's check the trot line. Here's Zoe.
What we
Let's
got?
see what we got.
Oh, we got one.
We got two.
We got two.
Oh, the hook.
We got two. Yeah.
We did it.
Watch the hook, Zozo. Catfish.
Catfish.
Alright.
Trotline success. We eating good tonight. What? Give me that.
But no.
We got two.
Look at that.
Perfect.
Beautiful. Brown bullhead catfish. Easy to catch. Excellent to eat.
That's what we got.
That's what we're going to have for dinner tonight. Yum. Okay, let's go.
Wait, okay. So this is our dog.
This is our dog Jen. Ginger.
Beautiful.
Look at this nice walking path they got out here.
We're spoiled.
We are spoiled. Yeah,
These cute little animals live on land and water, and they're mostly active at night. These white birds are called snowy egrets, and they represent liberation, wisdom, magic, love, luck, and joy.
Straight ahead.
I heard y'all were throwing lettuce at me.
Oh, I saw a fish jump.
What you think, Jen? You like this lake? Can't go swimming in this one. You just can't. We
Babe,
gave
they're
your
trying to
food
catch up
real
with
quick.
Yeah. Bye-bye, baby. Bye-bye.
Oh, it feels so good. Is this like a island right here?
Yeah.
Ooh, gator came closer.
What do you think about this radar or this weather here?
Caterpillar ants or velvet ants are actually wasps. Their bright red color means stay away because they will sting. We spotted black bear tracks. Black bears are always looking for food. They spend most of their days foraging around for fruits and nuts. Yellow rat snakes are non-venomous and can grow up to 7 feet long. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe later, Gator.